Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to reveal to you how you can apply an exposure effect or filter to your images and photos in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. Alright, navigate to your photo project or image and select your photo layer here on the right hand side of the list of layers. And once that's done, click into adjustment at the top and navigate to exposure here. Click into it, and after that's complete, play around with that slider here to find your exposure intensity. By moving it to the right, you will see that exposure here slightly lighter or brighter, and if you move it to the left, you will see that a darkened image here, guys. So that's basically it. You may click into and hold your left mouse onto that button here to compare the original video, and click off to see the result. If you'd like to save these changes, guys, click into apply, and that is going to apply the exposure to your image. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.